just received my WEN 5600 watt electric start generator. This thing is actually super compact. For point of reference, that's a size 11 boot. It's nowhere near as big as my last generator. These things are insanely bulky. For anyone who doesn't see this, or for that matter, can't understand what this is talking about, it says remove shipping backup from the bottom of the frame. To give you an idea of what they're talking about, which, by the way, this thing is beautiful. It's got this cool housing on it that forces air from the recoil fan across the engine. This is a Honda GX200 with a 360 valve train on it. It's a really nice motor. So if you need to order parts for it, the Honda GX engines will be good replacement parts. Or you buy the warranty, you don't have to worry about that. This bracket, the only thing that stands out in red is the shipping bracket that they're talking about. There are 4 bolts holding this thing on, 10 millimeter here, 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 and here. And then when you do the ones on the bottom of the motor plate, you're gonna have to use a 1/2 inch wrench for the nut holding it in place. Not this one, just this one that's on the bracket. It'll be easier to take these 2 out first. That way this is loose and able to move around. Otherwise you'll be fighting the engine trying to drop down on you. But this bracket is what they're talking about removing. It's red, you can't miss it. Everything else is black and orange. So take that off, otherwise when you try to run this thing, it'll shake itself to death and potentially break. So yeah, I'll leave my review with this video later.
Okay, we just got through putting oil in it, and we just put gasoline in it. I put 1 gallon in just to get it going. Now we're going to push it on choke, which we just did, and now he's going to start it over. And for the first time, it runs great. I'm going to go around the whole thing so you can see it. And it is running great. I will update in a couple of weeks or so after we've used it with some loads on it. But so far, very impressed.